Hello, next piece about tabletop sculpture, intuitive sculpture, and we will try to change the form. For example, we've got a cube, right? So, what if if I want to make it a house, but I want it to have a roof, like this, and I want to be like solid from the same piece, then I have to make these two edges, convert them into some slanted roof sides. So I take it like this, exactly at 45 degrees, and I start heating it. Not too strong, not too slight. When I see that I've got some kind of the beginning, the hint of my roof, then I go to the second one, edge, and heat it a little bit. Then I check, what have I got? Okay, we are starting to get to the angled roof, but we have to go further. I make like 3 hits here, several hits here, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. If I am like, in order for these sides to be exact, I have to look at my cube and hit it exactly at 45 degrees at a diagonal, like this. In order to, like, it's not easy because our hand moves like from the side to the side, and if you go like this, then you will get some kind of rounded edge or some other edge. So you have to put your original piece right in one position and just move it up and down. You see here I already lifted my wrist from the table because I need a really precise vertical movement. So, and then the other side. You see? Well, I have it here at this side is slanted a little bit, so I'll press here, and then I make again. I take like this. I check this 45 degrees, and I hit exactly 45. Like I'm moving my hand like this, up and down, not like this. Well, when I am already there, I have 2 planes, the same, and I want to make the top edge, then okay, let me help myself with my fingers. I will make again, sharpen it with my fingers a little bit. That will make the whole work faster, and then fix it again, still 45 degrees. And again here also 45 degrees, fixing the sides, front and back, and here again pressing here. It's a little bit rounded. Oh well, what can I do? I will fix it like this so that it's, and then I will like press like this, but then I have to sharpen it somehow. So I'm doing all movements I do many times, many small movements, right? And then, well, it's almost ready. It's a little bit different here, it's higher than here. What can I do? No, hit here a little bit more. Yeah, it is more or less. So what can I do else? We will stop at this point by just fixing this this corner, this edge a little bit, and this one, the sides of the roof, and we will fix the front and back. And here we've got some simple country house, or maybe better to say a barn. Right? That's it. Enough for now. Thank you for your attention.